Hey, y'all, so listen, this is what we did probably 4 days a week at the end of the day while I was in prison. This is what we would do for a calisthenics routine, all right? We would do right here. Boom. Boom. Ten pull-ups, you get straight down on the floor, no talking. 2. 10 push-ups, keep moving, no talking. Then you go straight to the dip bar. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you wanted to add something to it, those 3 will be the main 3 you gonna do. But you want to add some legs to your routine, boom, 10 squats, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you could come here. Put some back on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's it. You can freak it a bunch of different ways. Them different ways you can freak it. Then you could come here and get you some calves if you wanted to. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You know what I'm saying? That's how you get a full body, federal prison style calisthenics routine. Peace. So that's a calisthenics routine. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna do 10 sets. You're gonna do 10 sets. You do 10 sets of those. If you just did the pull-ups, push-ups, and dips, that's 30 reps. One set is 30 reps. You do 10 sets, that's 300 reps. If you add the squats, you add the calf raises, you add the back, you could turn it into a 70 or 80 rep set. You do 10 sets, you're talking about 800 reps. So full body, legs, back, chest, back, calves, full body routine. Now, you can make the routine easier by taking longer breaks in between each set. You know what I'm saying? After you do one round, you know what I mean? If you're doing it with 2 or 3 dudes, what you would do is after you go, then another dude will go, right? And then he go around. When he finish, you go. Or if it's 3 of y'all, you know, one go. When he get off the pull-ups, the other one go. You know what I'm saying? The shorter the amount of rest in between each set, the more difficult the routine. The longer periods of rest in between the sets, the more easier the routine. Podcast was sold. Peace.